Oh, here we go. Okay, can you? What's that? A dog? Yep, it's a dog. Okay, now, let me see. Oh, how about this one? Yeah, can you guess? A bird? Yep, it's a bird. Pretty neat, huh? Okay, hold on. Oh, I know, okay. Now this one's a bit harder. Okay, do you see what it is? Can you guess?
It's a giraffe!
The alert tones you just heard indicate that your emergency alert system has been activated. This system now being tested is activated for Amber Alerts when children are abducted and investigators wish to enlist your help recovering these children. The National Weather Service and your local public safety officials use the emergency alert system to warn you of events that pose threats to your life, health, and property. Your local broadcasters volunteer to donate their airtime to bring you these messages. This test message was originated by Oregon Emergency Management.
Full of energy. I'm full of beans. I'm just full of... Shh. Oh, you're right. Molly's still sleeping. Ooh, it's not very nice to wake up somebody when they're trying to sleep. Hey, let's go outside for a while, huh? Come on.
The big comfy couch.
We love to play. On Nick Jr. on CBS.
Get ready for Jack Halloween Halloween special of all of your favorite shows, like Eric Smith, Gumball.
Look what you've done! You've completely turned into ghosts! Which means I can finally do this!
Angry Birds with Oops. And so much. Jack Halloween Halloween special, Sunday at 8 p.m.
Our angels are busy building stronger than ever, so it holds up better than ever. Angel Soft. It's built with 2 soft shield layers. When wet, Angel Soft is 1, 2, 3 times stronger than the leading value brand. Well done, Angels. Stronger, holds up better. All wrapped up in a value you love. Angel Soft. All the softness you want, all the strength you need.
At Shopify, we support independent businesses in every way we can. That's why everything featured in this ad is from their stores, even the wallpaper. See all the ways we're supporting independence at shopify.com/independence.
Who decided what good was? What being a good parent was? Was it the experts? The books? The media? To the new generation of parents, the young, the judged, the overlooked. The only thing that matters is if your baby is loved and you're doing all right. However you do it, it's all good. Diapers that make a difference, only at Walmart.
It's for you, it's for me. So much fun just to be an ever girl. An ever girl. Oh, show your style, makes you smile. Funky, pretty, sporty, wild. An ever girl. What every girl can be. It's for you, it's for me. So much fun just to be an ever girl. An ever girl. New Evergirl fashions available now, only at Kohl's.
Do you know what actually happens when you filter with Brita? You reduce contaminants to make better tasting, healthier water. You save more than $500 per year compared to buying bottled water, while reducing waste in our landfills. And through our partnership with Me to We, every specially marked Brita purchase ensures 1 year of clean water for someone who really needs it. So what happens is, you actually make a better world just by making better water. Brita. Filter for good.
When you think of a bank, you think of people in a place. But when you have the Chase mobile app, your bank can be virtually any place. So when you get a check, you can deposit it from here. And you can see your transactions and check your balance from here. You can save for an emergency from here. Or pay bills from here. So when someone asks you, where's your bank? You can tell them, here's my bank. Or here's my bank. Or here's my bank. Because if you download and use the Chase mobile app, your bank is virtually any place. Visit chase.com/mobile.
Across the country, kids are learning Common Core concepts, practicing new strategies in math, and meeting new standards in English language arts. For parents who want to help their kids learn, there's a lot to cover. We're here to help. At homeworkhelpdesk.org, parents can browse instructional videos, lessons, and practice problems. And now with a live chat feature, parents can get one-on-one help with their child's homework. Parents, welcome to homeworkhelpdesk.org.
This summer, let's be safe, but still enjoy some fun in the sun with Cali Gear from Skechers. Cali Gear are cute, colorful sandals for the whole family that are lightweight, water-friendly, and comfortable. Perfect as we think about getting out to enjoy summer. See them all now at Skechers.com.
For all those going out each day, doing what they can to hold us all together, we're here to help those helping us all by keeping our lights on.
Transformers Dark of the Moon 16 weeks of cyber sweeps is shifting into high gear. 16 prize giveaways over 16 weeks, like a $200 Hasbro gift card or a collection of new Transformers toys worth over $500. Ask a parent to go to TransformersCybersweeps.com to enter. 16 prize giveaways, 16 weeks. Come back each week and enter for a chance to win. Find out who won the Transformers movie premiere trip by tuning in the night of Nickelodeon's 2011 Kids' Choice Awards on April 2nd. No purchase necessary. Many wins or few will win. Ages 8 to 15 for weeks 1, 2, and 16. Other weeks ages 6 to 15. Ends July 2nd, 2011.
We love to play. On Nick Jr. on CBS.
And a dream was found, just for Granny Garbanzo. Then, up to the top of a mountain of whipped cream, when the little engineer heard a great big noise. A noise so big it shook the train almost off its tracks. What is that noise?
The alert tones you just heard indicate that your emergency alert system has been activated. This system now being tested is activated for Amber Alerts when children are abducted and investigators wish to enlist your help recovering these children. The National Weather Service and your local public safety officials use the emergency alert system to warn you of events that pose threats to your life, health, and property. Your local broadcasters volunteers donate their airtime to bring you these messages. This test message was originated by Oregon Emergency Management.
the white pony came to the dream train. All aboard for bed! And right away, Mr. Mustafa stopped his big noisy snores. Who could snore when you had a white pony with flowers in his mane and the softest nose there ever was? Mr. Mustafa dreamt he took all the happy children for moonlit pony rides. Everyone had a ride on the white pony. Even Granny, even you, even me. Then the sleepyhead snuggled down to a good night's sleep. All aboard for bed! Sweet Dream Train now boarding on track 40 winks. And the Sweet Dream Train chugged quietly and softly into the midnight sky. The end. And that's the kind of night that Molly and I had. And even though I've been up all night, I'm just beginning my day. And I like to start every new day with a good stretch.